turn OpenClaw into a voice AI assistant. So as you can see, I'm within OpenClaw, and from the chat over here, I have the option to come and then turn on the speaker icon so that OpenClaw can talk, and I can also turn on the mic so that I can also speak to OpenClaw. And when I turn it on, all that I have to do is simply come here and come and click on allow whilst visiting the site, and that is it. And over here, as you can see, the mic option is on and I can chat with OpenClaw. So let's try it and see. Okay. Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
How is your day going?
I don't experience days in the way humans do, but I'm here and ready to help you. What can I do for you today?
I'm just checking my mic if it works.
Sounds like it's working loud and clear.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if there's anything else I can help with.
So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply come to Replit, and then from Replit platform over here where we have the project, simply come and then select project. So as you can see from my project, I've been able to run OpenClaw, okay, and it is completely free. Let me open it for you to see. And OpenClaw is working perfectly fine, and I've hosted it for completely free inside Replit. Okay, I have a video on how to do it. Okay, inside the video description you can check it out and then know exactly how to run OpenClaw for free on Replit. Okay, so after that, simply come and then paste the prompt inside the chat box just like this. I've pinned the prompt at the video comment section. You can copy it, come and paste it right here, and then simply come here and then come and click on send. Okay, and that is it. You don't have to do anything. Replit agent is going to build the whole thing for you. Okay, so as you can see from here, Replit agent has successfully built it for me, and now OpenClaw is a voice assistant. All that I have to do is simply come in and turn the mic on, and it is going to ask me, and all that I have to do is simply come in and click on allow while visiting the site, and that is it. Okay, I can simply come and then talk and then chat with OpenClaw. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on view tab, and that is it. Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.